Good luck. Here we go, guys. This is for the select break. We have playbook next. Select. Here's the team. ADM 49ers, Rayman, Bears, Bengals, Pay All Day, Bills, Dogman, Chiefs, Broncos, Browns, Chiefs Rule Broncos, Browns, JDM, Dirty Bird, Bucks, Cardinals, Brew, JDM, Chargers, Chiefs Rule, Chiefs, Cowboys, J. Bradley B, Cowboys, Colts, J. Bradley B, Cowboys, J.W. Howe, Barnesy, Dolphins, Eagles, Dogman, Falcons, J.W. Howe, Giants, Dirty Bird, Jags, J.W. Howe, Sigma's cursing them out right now. Jets, Brew, Lions, Dogman, Packers, Rayman, CMA, Panthers, J.W. Howe, Patriots, Raiders, Pagoda, Tail Day, Rams, Brew, Ravens, Redskins, Saints, J.W. Howe, JDM, Seahawks, Steelers, Tail Day, JRT 50, Texans, Titans, Brew, and Tail Day with the Vikings. Good luck, everyone. I'd like to pull some nice stuff. This is a fresh case, so hopefully pull some vets and some nice rookies out of this break. Thank you, JJ. Appreciate it. He's taking Steelers in the in playbook. All right, let me just change that on my sheet. All right, Tay all day. Got it. Sounds good. Gotcha. Thank you, Dirty Bird. Good luck, everybody. Ooh, nice start to it. Nice start. Brandon Cooks, rookie auto. Brandon Cooks, rookie auto for the Saints going to J.W. Howe. That is numbered 19 of 50. 19 of 50 on the Brandon Cooks rookie auto. Base. Peyton Manning jersey card for the Broncos. Going to Chiefs Rule. Peyton Manning jersey card for the Broncos. That is numbered 14 of 99. Chris, I've already done better for you than I did for Bedro today. Is this fit in the hundreds? Yeah, okay. That's not yours. That's so mean. All right. Refractor, Brandon Marshall. Refractor, Zach Martin. This one is numbered to 199 for the Cowboys. Blue Refractor, Torrey Smith for the Ravens, number 27 of 50. Insert for the Bengals, Jordan Matthews rookie auto. Jordan Matthews rookie auto for the Eagles. Going to Dogman. That's not bad. There's a couple nice receiver rookie autos in that box. If it'll focus, I'll show you what the numbering is. There we go. 9 of 99 on the Jordan Matthews. 9 of 99. I will custom die cut any card you guys want. Base, and Taylor Lewin auto for the Titans going to Brew. Brew, do you want this die cut? I'm not even waiting for it. We got the special die cut for Brew. Hold on. This thing won't come off. There we go. Tyler Lewin die cut. One. Hold on. It's not a 101 yet. There we go. There we go. We even put a 101 on there. Die cut Lewin. Only available on CL Breaks. Yeah, Brew got a die cut card. We had to die cut it for Brew. We need to get Brew a 101 die cut. Red Refractor, Matt Ryan, number 99. Aaron Donald Refractor. And Pink Refractor, Maurice Jones-Drew for the Raiders. That's numbered to 199. We're not die cutting everything. Listen, we die cut a few things. There's a nice die cut Taj Boyd that I have. There's a Vince Mail book. Of course, you're going to get the Vince Mail die cuts. This one's special. This one's super special. It's numbered both 3 of 10, and it's die cut 101. Yeah. And of course, you always have the die cut Vince Mail minis. All right, here we go. Good luck, box 2. If he's watching, he's laughing his ass off right now. If he's not watching, he's gonna laugh his ass off when I ship that to him. He's on the Vince Mail's on the practice squad of the Cowboys, I think now. Or he was bagging my groceries. One or the other. Mortitone, Bears and Playbook. You got it, sir. If you can't read it, the Bears are $9, Mort. Yeah, I know.
You know what?
Yeah, my dad sent me a text yesterday. Papa D's doing good. He'll be here next month. He'll be here, I think, the end of next month, end of September. He'll be here. Listen, he bitches just as much as anyone else in this room if he buys in and doesn't get anything. All right, guys, good luck. Box 2. Orange Refractor, Keenan Allen. That's numbered 17 of 75. Focus. 17 of 75. Tom Brady insert. 400 points. These points will be randomed off at the end of the break to everyone in the break. LaMarcus Joyner, numbered to 199 for the Rams, going to Tay all day. Where's the RPAs, man? Where's the RPAs? David Thales refractor. That's numbered to 99 for the Bears. Robert Heron refractor. That is not numbered. Peyton Manning refractor. Going to Chris. Did I miss a card? I did. Okay. Eli Manning jersey for the Giants. Numbered to 199. 199 on the Eli. No, Sigma. Nothing yet. Marcus Robinson auto for the Rams, numbered to 199. To Tay all day. Guys, we do have the playbook next. It's more than half full. Cheap teams in it. Should be quick and easy to fill after this break. Marion Grace for the Chargers to 199. Refractor and a refractor of Joe Flacco. No, one's Marcus Robinson and one's LaMarcus Joyner. Two different guys. But it's kind of racist that they're black and you asked if they're the same one. Are you okay? That makes it even more racist. Yeah, we don't discriminate. Everybody's hated. We got all types of diversity in this room. Tay's black, I'm a Jew, Big Al's an Asian. We got all types of diversity in here. Devontae Freeman, Jeremy Hill rookie auto. Jeremy Hill rookie auto for the Bengals. Going to Tay all day. Tay, you're killing this, man. That's a number to 99. That stand-up's a dick. That is true. That is the most true statement in here. Is that stand-up is a dick. Liquid paper. Love it. I love it. I still laugh every time. Stand up. I'm such a child. Jeff Janis. Packers fans love this guy. Rayman with the Jeff Janis, numbered to 199. He had one hell of a game in the playoffs. That you love. You don't, Rayman? I thought all Packers fans are obsessed with Jeff Janis. Phillip Rivers refractor, numbered to 99. Marcus Smith refractor. Pink refractor, Cordell Patterson for the Vikings to 199. Really? I thought Jeff Janis was like everybody's hero there. Here, you must like Ha Clinton Dix, though. Right, Rayman? Clinton Dix is good. You happy with him? That's better. Don't worry, Rayman. I will handle your dicks with care. I will caress your dicks. I will put protection on your dicks. I'm such a child. Oh. Adrian Peterson, orange jersey, orange refractor jersey. That's numbered. Holy crap. That is numbered 1/5. Viking. Tail Day is murdering this break. 1/5. Adrian Peterson. Murdering the break, Tay. Murdering it. Gotta love, by the way, yeah, the Dix was numbered to 149. 149 on the Dix. That's the Dix. 106 of 149. Gotta love that one color jersey on a card numbered to 5. Love you, Panini. Tony Romo refractor. Pink refractor, Kevin Norwood for the Seahawks to 199. Blue refractor, Matt Ryan for the Falcons. That's numbered 20 of 50. 20 of 50. Fix is numbered to 10 to 12 inches. Oh, I like when we're just having fun breaking, guys. I love this. I never want to have one of those uptight rooms where we can't joke around while we're breaking. Alright, so Tail Day's been killing this break. Rayman had a couple nice Packers. I don't care what you say. Janis is still a nice Packer. Tay got basically every other hit. Other than the Peyton Manning jersey. Tay, you said if you did well in this break, you'd be joining Playbook, so I assume you'll be joining Playbook. Brew. Brew. I don't know what's going on, but a lot of people are calling for Brew. Peyton is not yours. Love it. Another 150 points. We're at 550 points. This will be randomed off at the end of the break, all those points. Isaiah Crowell refractor. Sure. There's your Steeler, Tay. We were missing that Steeler hit for you. There you go. Jerome Bettis jersey for Tay all day. Sometimes some people just get everything in a break. Number to 199, Bettis jersey. You know, Chris, why are you even bothering? You know Tay all day is winning the points, too. Greg Olson, pink refractor, number to 199 for the Panthers. We got a blue refractor of Eric Decker, numbered 20 of 50 for the Jets. Aaron Donald, insert. David Fales refractor. Ooh, that'll piss off. That's going to piss Sigma off. Alan Hearns auto for the Jaguars. Alan Hearns, numbered to 99. 52 and 99. Going JW Howe. That makes Sigma unhappy. I love Hearns too. They short us. I think they short us a hit in this. Nope, it's right here. Look at that. Nile Davis vet auto. Nile Davis vet auto going to the Chiefs rule. Going to Chris. Not numbered, Chris. Strata was good, but not for you, 2-card. There were no Angels in the entire case. Lots of Mets, lots of Cubs in the Strata. Coney Ely, numbered to 99. And a refractor of Rashard Jennings. That's the end of that. We got to do the. All right. Let me get the randomizer set up for the points. Yes. No. Points. Select. Here's what we're going to do. Put all the teams in. Switch over to it. All 32 teams in. 550 points for select. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th and final. Falcons. Who had the Falcons? JW Howe. JW Howe wins all of the points. 550 points.